What up, YouTube? Got a little dead bird in here today. Hit it at the last track event at the Ridge. Got part of it off. Had to basically get everything unbolted from underneath the Model E, all the undercarriage to access it. Had to take off the whale cooler cover, it looks like, which was not fun. Part of the bird fell out, but I'm about to do some cleaning. Just didn't want to have things overheat as we head into the next track event tomorrow. But yeah, not too fun. You can see that very well. Got a little bird in there. The remnant's right there. Gotta get that out. Well, got the bird out. It's pretty crazy. It hit here initially, and it went all the way back there, as you can see. Still not perfectly clean, but way better. At least this full carcass. There's none on it, as well as that section right there. All right, so we got the bird out finally, as you can see. A little messed up. I don't think I can really fix those fins too much, but definitely looks a lot better than before and now. But yeah, definitely crazy.